This COB indoor high-definition LED display features an advanced hubboard connection with wireless, magnetically attached modules for fast tool-free installation. The COB packaging technology delivers ultra-high-resolution superior contrast and enhanced anti-collision, moisture-proof, dust-proof, screen surface waterproof protection, ultra-thin die-cast aluminum cabinet with hubboard connection, power supply and receiving card integrated on one hubboard. Single cabinet size 600 by 337.5 mm, 16 by 9 golden ratio design. Screen thickness is only 34 mm. This COB indoor LED display offers outstanding visual performance and long-term stability, making it ideal for control rooms, conference centers, broadcast studios, and high-end commercial indoor applications.